tiger 背。Don't use your muscle. No muscle, okay? Relax. Wudang. Mabu. Relax it. Relax it. Straight, body straight, body straight. Relax it. Breathe in. Open. Sit back. Open. Push. Relax. A shoulder, see? Pushing. Yes, pushing. This one back, go. Yeah, this one go in, this one back. Yeah, it's longer. Make it straight. And turn. Relax, relax. Breathe in. Open. Open. Open as much as you can, but relax. Relax, okay? Relax. Yes, yes. Open, relax. Yes. Open and relax. Open and relax. Yes, yeah. Open, relax. Tell yourself, open, relax. Open, relax. And someone like tight. You know. Open, relax. Okay, then do bend. Bend it. Bend it. Pull him back. Pull him back. Yes. Pull him back. Relax. Relax. Pull him back. Yes, relax. Back straight. Back straight. Yeah, relax. Relax. I help you relax. Relax. Yes. Yes, this is good. Yeah, good. See? Back straight. Back straight. Yes. Relax. Good. See? Relax. And turn. Relax. Relax. Relax, okay? Then pull in longer, longer. Relax, longer. Relax, longer. Relax, longer. Close, close. Yeah, turn in a little bit. Longer. This one, go back. This, yeah. It's still not enough. Go, go, back. Ausgen. Yes. Longer, not enough. Yes, yes. And longer and relax. Yes. Longer and relax. Longer and relax. Or turn your hand. Relax. Breathe in. Open your knees. Open your knees. Stiff again. Yes. Yeah. I can feel it. You don't feel it, you know. Okay, go back. Relax. Yeah. Open here. Relax. Back and relax. Look. Look. Yeah. You don't like this is not practice, you know. Not like it's not tense, no power, no don't need it. Okay, just open your chest. 这个护掌类好，护掌啊，放松，打开，又有打开，又有放松。 对，明白这个道理啊，又有打开，又有放松啊。And turn, bend up, keep same level, pushing back. Yes, very good. Relax shoulders, shoulders, relax shoulders. Why like that? Why? Back straight. You keep it back straight. No. Yes, something. Yeah. Like this is straight. Then the arm go up. Back straight. Yes. And turn. Relax. Become palm. Become palm. Become palm. Close. When you go like this, I don't know why like this. Why like this? Huh? So just keep straight. As much you can. You know, you cannot like it. Yeah. Then come back. Relax. Yeah. Every time when you do back, see, relax. 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 I can see, like, it's like too tight, you know. Longer and relax. Yes, longer and relax. Always tell yourself, longer and do the maximum movements and relax. You see, open, relax, see? Yeah, then turn. Wrong again. Always is push like this. You push like this. Don't move, it's bandaged, cannot move it. Yes, this feel better, okay? Already better. Yeah. Relax. You know, I touch you, don't be nervous. Relax your shoulder muscle. Yes, relax, relax. See, no problem. Relax. Yes, very good. You know, this is good. Cool. Relax. Head up. Relax. 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 Yes. Relax. Don't be nervous. Okay. Relax. Shoulder relax. Yes. Yes. See, no problem. When you relax it, and you start nervous, you tight. Okay, relax. Mike, when you teach students, have to always keep remind them, tell them, relax, relax, relax. They forget. They forget. Yes. Not just that you guide them, it doesn't work. You have to like me, like this kind of teaching. Relax. And when you pull it back, they start stiff here. They start really nervous. Yes. And you say, relax. They're afraid. You do this, and they're afraid. When they really relax, no problem. Yes. Relax, no problem. Don't worry. You know, this kind of they call training. Training.
I say relax, but a lot of people still is not relaxed.
That's why you need to help. Yes. Hand by hand. Relax, relax. Yes. Then they feel, oh, okay. Like you put me like that. See how you can move. I'm really, see. No problem, see. It's stiff, soft, it's different. You know, and this one, very stiff. What do you want? Against something? You pull in a car, just now, relax. You know. Then you will improve very fast. Improve very fast. You know. Every day you're training, everyday training. Then you like this kind of soft training, you know. And you Tai Chi, anything is a Qigong training. Look. Yeah, this is Qigong. It's not Tai Chi anymore. See the Qi energy already here, you know. This is not any form you can do in this way. First, you have to fix this problem, okay? Very stiff body, muscle, tendons, joints, and the problems from here, mind. That's why, Michael, you have to always tell them, relax here. They don't relax here, they're very hard to improve. You spend a lot of time to teach them, to guide them. It still doesn't work. You waste your time, they waste their time. Then you keep telling more. You know, if someone cannot feel, touch it. Okay, try to do this, marble. Yeah, pull him back. Pull him back. Yeah, you told him, yeah, relax. And they understand, you know. Yeah, then you relax. I put it in my hands, wait for here, relax, relax, yeah. Then he feel relaxed, voice is relaxed. Then you, yeah, then you feel relaxed is better. Yes. Actually, relax is not going to hurt. If you tight, I do it, you hurt.
Yes, sure. I think the problem is when I say relax, maybe, yes, they do relax right now. But then they go home and...
Always, every class,
yeah.
Keep them. Then go home, training by yourself. Learning, now is learning. I gave you guidance, give you my idea, my experience. This is learning. Learning, training, is different, okay? I still have to tell this. Training, most important. Learn from me, you understand? Then go home, just never practice. Doesn't work. They need coordination. Here to here, here to here, here to every part. Your mind connect to every joint, every muscle, pieces of muscle. They call, how to say, 高度的协调.
High degree of coordination.
This is the highest coordination from all of the World Wushu. This is the highest coordination.
Yes.
It's not just this coordination, you know, coordination. That's why we become more stiff. Yeah, like I told you, you're doing this, it's because your mind not relaxed, so you can't expand. When you relax, you can do easier, you know. It's like planning. Actually, we call Wuqing. Xi means planning, you know. Not really too serious. Yeah. Too serious, like it's very tight, you know. They also is training, but we don't need this kind of training. We need soft, relaxed training. Relax, stretching, better. Okay. Then one more time, tiger. One more time, okay. I have to see you doing the maximum movement stretching without this, okay? Without nerves from here. Okay, try. Relax, breathe in, breathe out. Yeah? From the beginning, you're already soft. Then go down, see, body soft. Ma bu, see, soft. Breathe in, soft. Open your chest. And the tiger palm, relax. Pull in, relax. As much you can, longer, and then relax. And turn around it, relax. Breathe in. open first. Open and bend it. Pulling back without your mind. Yes, I can feel better. Okay, turn around, shoulder relax, back straight. Yes, open, push, relax your arm, back straight. Turn, shoulder relax. Turn, pulling back. Turn, relax your arm, shoulder, relax, back straight, yes. Open your chest, pull in, relax. Yes, good. Keep it longer. Longer doesn't mean muscle, you know, it's just longer. Okay, and turn. See? Bend. Pulling back. Keep it back straight. And turn your hand. Relax shoulder, see? Relax shoulder. Don't learn from me. I show you breathe in, breathe out. I will in, out. I just make a sound. Let you understand. So you don't do. Yeah, don't. Relax shoulder. Relax your shoulders. The neck straight. Breathe in, shoulder relax. 就抬手不抬肩啊 ，relax. Open your eyes. Don't move. Keep stable. Don't move. Close your foot. Close your feet. Closer. Don't move.